thing I can't get over about Cardigan, like we've played here like 3 times now. It's an incredible place, like it has the same kind of vibe, an extremely artistic place with a beautiful backdrop.
I look good!
Mae'r cymhesrwydd na, mae'na real like appreciation gan bobl am y sŵn, a mae pobl jyst yn gwrando.
Good! This is all I do!
I ended up just hanging out with the locals, so friendly and so welcoming, and it's a really nice, warm community.
A really important hub for really fostering that cultural connections between Ireland and Wales. Music is really evolving. Genres are being blended out of both of our countries.
Get in the queue for the stuff that's happening in that church. It is something that will stick with you for the rest of your life. It's an experience like no other.
I scrub for 12 hours a day. I know best I do.
It's a beautiful place and a beautiful festival.
The vibe in Cardigan is just amazing. It's buzzing.
Institution that I absolutely adore.
Mae'n rili unigryw a mae jyst yn rili diddorol sut mae bob man yn troi mewn I fenyw. Mae'n line-up really diverse, so mae'n rhywbeth I pawb. A ie, dwi'n meddwl mae'n gwrdd really arbennig.
Yeah, Sexy Tag was amazing. We're going to see them again, I think, tonight. Yeah, they were so good.
I've not slept last night.
Enjoy the view!